Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to factory reset, how to erase all data in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to erase all data, you want to use Nokia keypad mobile factory reset setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Nokia keypad mobile factory reset setting. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. First of all, open your Nokia keypad mobile setting. Select option, select system setting, connectivity setting, time and language setting. You can use in your Nokia keypad mobile setting, message setting, call setting, backlight setting, notification setting. You can use in your Nokia keypad mobile. So first of all guys, we will on system setting, message setting, backlight setting, brightness you can increase decrease, screen timeout you can change, notification setting you can on and off, open your about phone setting, restore factory reset setting we will select. As you can see, full reset, delete data. If you tap here, so friends you can see restore factory setting and delete all user data and settings. So friends, you want to use factory reset setting, you want to erase all data in Nokia keypad mobile, you want to erase all data. So friends, you can erase, tap here OK button, your data will erase and you can use factory reset setting. And before factory reset guys, charge your phone. Okay, you have in 20-30%, don't factory reset your mobile, charge your phone at least 50% and 45%. So friends, you want to use full restore setting, erase all data setting, delete data setting, OK option, click here, your data will delete, your user data, your setting will delete in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, I don't want to erase, you want to erase, tap here, data will erase. So like that friends, you can use factory reset setting. And friends, you can see online software update setting. I don't have SIM card in my mobile, so friends I cannot use online software update setting. So like that friends, you can use Nokia keypad mobile factory reset setting, erase all data setting you can use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem in Nokia keypad mobile, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.